which is the GrooveSell. It is a shopping cart, powerful sales management and affiliate management platform, and also powerful sales management designed to help you sell more digital products and services using this platform. Inside your GrooveSell, you can build custom checkout and order forms. You can create affiliate programs when you're setting up your products. You can set multiple currency, not just US dollar, but over 20 plus currencies available. You can also create coupons and discount codes for your product. And also you can check reporting of sales, refunds, rebills, etc. And you can also connect your PayPal or any other payment gateway here. Plus, GrooveSell is completely free with $0 setup fees, $0 monthly fees, and also $0 transaction fees. So with that, I give this platform a thumbs up. So this platform replaced the use of the ClickFunnels, Shopify, and other e-commerce software. GrooveCM is a complete marketing and sales system with over 10 plus apps that you can use for any type of business. These are the Groove apps that are currently available now, and there are also new apps coming soon. And most of the Groove apps here are now getting better and faster compared to the previous year. So if you need a website, email marketing, membership site, e-commerce, webinars, sales management, blog website, and affiliate software, then GrooveCM is the perfect one for you. Plus, they also have the additional apps coming soon, and these apps are Groove Desk, Groove Calendar, Groove Webinars Live, Groove Proof, Groove Streaming, Groove Survey, Groove Quiz, Groove Funnel Mapping, Groove Pipe CRM. So these are the new app that will coming soon inside your GrooveCM. So if you're interested to sign up or try the GrooveCM, then just click on the link in the description below to sign up for free. So I hope that you learned something from this video, and thank you so much for your time watching.